Greetings and welcome to the most generic tutorial you will ever see on YouTube. Today we're going to be getting the Workman layout for your keyboard. First we're going to need to grab a piece of software called AutoHotKey. Just head on over to AutoHotKey.com, links in description, and download the current version of it. Save it to whatever folder you would like. It's just an installer. Go ahead and click on it. Down at the bottom, AutoHotKey setup would like to run. Click yes. It allows it to write to your disk. Now for the purposes of today's video, we just need to do an express installation. Done like that. Very fast. We're going to run the program. It's going to open this window here. You don't need to worry about it. You can even exit out of it. It'll save it to the tray down here. And it will automatically launch if you do. We can go and exit the setup. Now that we have AutoHotKey installed, we're going to head over to workmanlayout.org. And right here, we are going to click on this zip folder. And this will initiate the download. Save it to a folder that you will remember once again. It is a zip file, so use an unzipper program such as WinRAR or the default Windows unzipping. We're going to extract it to itself. That just makes it to where it all saves in its single folder. Now we're going to open two folders, both titled Workman Layout, with some string of numbers. Now, if you open the PNG file down here, you'll be able to see your keyboard layout in all its glory. Now, we are going to, after inspecting our very important PNG image, go into AutoHotKey. Click on QWERTY to workman.ahk. This is an AutoHotKey file. It has now executed. It's not going to open any windows. Now, if I push the F key on my keyboard, it's going to type T. So we have successfully converted. Now, if you would like to stop using Workman, for instance, when you're playing OSU, it will create errors because of the way OSU reads your key inputs. You can just simply click on the little tray arrow on your taskbar, and you're going to see this little H symbol for AutoHotKey. Click Suspend Hotkeys, or if Suspend Hotkeys isn't doing it for you, go ahead and pause the script or completely exit the program. And that will completely get rid of it. Now if I push F, we type F. Alright, that does it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to get Workman.